के मुख्य सचिव को मैंने वो 3 आवश्यक निर्देश दिए हैं। मैं मानकर चलता हूं कि राज्य के मुख्य सचिव उन तीनों निर्देशों की अनुपालना अति शीघ्र करेंगे, क्योंकि टाइम इज द एसेंस ऑफ इट। आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट। चीफ सेक्रेटरी विल फुल्ली अपडेट मी ऑन द करंट सिनेरियो. He will also organize virtual conference of the governor with the vice chancellors, ताकि इसका एक जियोमेट्रिकल इम्पैक्ट हो पाए, and also bring about a connect of the governor with the CEOs of the hospitals in public and private sector. On my own, and my office is very active, they are engaged in coordinating with the Red Cross Society. We have a good chairman heading it. We are using it, and I'm sure he will really contribute hugely. We are trying to get in touch with ex-servicemen, their organizations that will go a long way in helping us. There are other NGOs also, religious leaders. I'm in connect with most of them. And the connectivity, usual, will increase hour by hour, because unless we make our battle against COVID, unless we decide to combat COVID through Jan Andolan, only then there is a way out. So people's participation, public involvement is very essential to combat COVID. Whatever is happening in the state from that perspective is in the domain of the Election Commission of India. They are best suited to take a call on it. Whatever they do, it's an expert body, it's a constitutional body, it has taken cognizance of the situation. They will take a sound decision. I leave it to them. I would at the moment engage into activities which I have indicated, because all the political parties at the moment are involved with the electioneering. At that point, it is not desirable for the governor to call a meeting. That can happen if it was not election process on. Now that the election process is on, I would not like to get into that area. But in my own way, I am appealing to one and all, irrespective of what he or she is doing, that this is the time to create our fight against COVID as a people's fight, as people's movement, as Jan Andolan. And Jan Andolan की सफलता तभी है जब जन भागीदारी होती है. So every person, I request, I plead, I pray, must follow protocol, must go by the government guidelines, and must be a responsible citizen. क्योंकि ऐसा व्यक्ति ये आचरण करेगा तो खुद को ठीक रखेगा, अपने परिजनों को ठीक रखेगा, समाज को ठीक रखेगा. कोविड-1 की लड़ाई भारत ने बहुत सलीके से लड़ी है. कोविड-2 दुनिया में शार्प रहा है, अपने देश में भी शार्प है. हमारी जनसंख्या बहुत ज़्यादा है. इन सब व्यवस्थाओं को देखते हुए, परिस्थितियों को देखते हुए, एक ही रास्ता मुझे नजर आता है. आम आदमी, आम नागरिक इसमें योद्धा का रूप करे, और वो आम नागरिक इस प्रकार की स्थिति पैदा करे कि ये जन भागीदारी, जन आंदोलन का रूप ले ले. ये होने के बाद ही हम उसको कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे.